Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will be talking about linear equations in one variable. Here in this video, I will be explaining how to solve the linear equations, which you have already done it in standard 6 and 7. But yes, there are different types which I will be discussing, and also I will solve the problems based on the linear equations. So actually I will be revising with you the chapter which is known to you, and I will try to improve you all, and especially the mistakes which children generally do. So this video of mine will be interesting, and I'm sure you will understand the chapter very well. So children, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And now let's begin. So the linear equation. Suppose the question is 3 into b minus 4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus b. So first what will you do? You will remove the bracket. So 3b minus 12 is equal to 8 minus 2b. Now as you know, when you bring a number from one side to the other side, what you have to do? You have to change the sign. Like minus 12 becomes plus 12, minus 2b becomes plus 2b. So on adding you get 5b is equal to 20. Again you know that a number multiplied gets divided on the other side. So b is equal to 20 by 5 is equal to 4. This is the simple way of solving a linear equation which you all know. Suppose I have one example here, and I just want to show you where children make a mistake. Suppose the question is 5b minus 2 is equal to 20. Some children try bringing this 5 down directly. This is wrong, children. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because you have to remove this minus 2 first. So minus 2 added becomes 22, and then the 5 will come down. If there are two numbers added or subtracted, the 5 cannot be brought down. So please take a note of this. Don't make a mistake. Okay. The next question. So the answer is here. It is 4. The next question, fraction wise. So if it is 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20 is equal to x by 4 plus 32. So what you have to do? You have to make 3x by 4 as it is minus x minus 20 whole divided by 4 is equal to, we make a common denominator 4. How? X plus 4 into 32 by 4. Here also 4, if the common denominator, you get 3x minus x plus 20. In this case, the entire numerator has a common base. The entire numerator has a common base. So 4 and 4 cancels, and you get 2x plus 20 and x plus 128. As I discussed just now, the sign changes. So plus 20 will become minus 20 here. Plus x will become minus x here. And the answer is this. So this is again one common way of solving. Okay. This was also known to you. Very simple. But yes, of course, please remember, you multiply and divide to a common numerator. I explained it to you just now. You cannot divide 4 without including 32. You have to include 32 into a common numerator. Only then the denominator gets cancelled. Okay. Then one more type of question, that is this. Here again fraction, 2x minus 13 by 5 minus x minus 3 by 11 is equal to x minus 9 by 4 plus 1. As I told you, there should be a common denominator. So here 5 and 11, LCM 55. You know it, children. I don't have to teach you adding and subtracting fraction, and a common denominator 5 over here. In this case, they will get cancelled because numerator's denominator is 5. So 55 and 5 cancels. You get 11 here and 1 over here. This 11 gets multiplied to the entire numerator, which gives you 11x minus 44. And on bringing 11x this side, you get the answer as 14. So what I have done over here, I have first made a common denominator, cancelled the denominator, cross multiplied 11 over here, brought the like terms together, divided and got the answer. Next type of question, yes, again product form. X minus 1 into x plus 6 minus x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now in this type of question, you all must be remembering the formula which we discussed just the previous video, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. We have also discussed formulas x plus a into x minus b, x minus a into x plus b, x minus a into x minus b. So I am not going to discuss all that again. Please watch my video and learn the formulas. You have explained, I have explained, and you have solved the exercise, so it's not new. Now x minus 1 into x plus 6 will give you x square plus 5x minus 6. How? I explained it just now. Then x minus 2 into x minus 3, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 3. After this, we open the bracket by changing the signs because there is a minus sign. So x square plus 5x minus 6 minus x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 3. X square and x square gets cancelled. So you get 10x minus 12 is equal to 3. Minus 12 comes this side, becomes plus 12. That is 15 by 10 is 3 by 2, or that is 1 whole 1 by 2, which is the answer. Please do not stop writing 3 by 2. Whenever it's an improper fraction, you have to give it in the mixed form. Next, again fraction, 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 4. So different denominators. We have to first take the LCM by multiplying x into x minus 1, and you get x minus 1. Same over here. Product. Solve the numerators, cross multiply, and the answer is this. So you can always do one thing. See the question, take a rough notebook, solve it, and check how it is done. Then one more question. If this is the answer, find the value of a if a minus 2x is equal to 3. So what we do, we substitute. So a minus 2 into, what is x's value, minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3. Cancel, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. 3 comes here, a becomes 0. So this is one substitution question also which I have done for you. Now there are so many questions in your textbook. Solve the entire exercise. Don't leave any children. Okay, so we go to the problems based on linear equation. Very interesting, children. Please pay attention over here. Suppose the question says a number decreased by 30 is the same as 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So we write the equation as mentioned. First thing that we do is we assume. So let the number be x. So we get a number decreased by 30. So x minus 30 is same as, means equal to 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So 14 minus 3x. It is very important for a problem based sum to write this equation. After that, solving is easy because you all have done it very nicely. Therefore, solving will not be difficult for you. We write as we read. A number decreased by 30, x minus 30, is same as, means equal to 14 decreased by 14 minus 3x. Then we change the sides. 3x becomes plus over here, minus 30 becomes plus over here. So 4x is equal to 44, therefore x is 11, therefore the number is 11. So how do we solve this part? This is simple because it is x plus 3x is equal to 14 plus 30, so you get 4x is equal to 44, x is equal to 44 by 4 is equal to 11, and that is the answer. So common steps I have missed, children. You are in standard 8, you don't need spoon feeding. Okay, the next question. The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If its perimeter is 54 centimeter, find its length. So we all know the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. Suppose the length is twice its width. Let's assume the width to be x. So the length becomes 2x. So the perimeter is 2 into L plus B, that is 2x plus x is equal to 54. 2x plus x is 3x, 3 2s are 6x is 54, so x is 9 centimeter width, but we had to find the length, so 9 2s are 18 centimeter. The next question, interesting and easy also. The numerator of a fraction is 5 less than its denominator. In a fraction, you know a by b, a is the numerator, b is the denominator. After that, 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator and the fraction becomes 4 by 5. So what was the original fraction? So let the original fraction be x minus 5 by x. How do we get this? If we get it from the question, 5 less than the denominator. So if the denominator is x, numerator is x minus 5. So we know it very nicely that if we assume the denominator x, the numerator is 5 less, so it becomes x minus 5. After taking the original fraction, we now have to add 3 to it. So it becomes x minus 5 plus 3, it is x plus 3. X minus 5 plus 3 will become x minus 2, and this is x plus 5. When you multiply, now suppose you are not able to understand, let me do it over here and show you. If it is x minus 5 plus 3 and it is x plus 3, because the question says to add 3 and the fraction becomes 4 by 5. So this actually now becomes x minus 2 by x plus 3 is 4 by 5. Now what do? We cross multiply. So we get 5x minus 10 and we get 4x plus 12. Now 4x comes here, becomes 4x is equal to 12 minus 10 comes here, becomes 10. So what do you get? X is equal to 22. So actually that is the denominator. When we get x is 22, we know in the original fraction the denominator is x and the numerator is 5 less than 22. So the answer is 17 by 22. Interesting. Okay, the next question. Two consecutive natural numbers are such that 1/4 of the smaller exceeds 1/5 of the greater by 1. So find the number. Let the consecutive numbers be x and x plus 1. What do you mean by consecutive? The next number, the next number. Suppose you have a number 5. The next will be 5 plus 1, 6. Then 5 plus 2, 7. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how it goes. So if it is a natural number, consecutive natural number, consecutive whole number, consecutive integer, it is always x, x plus 1, x plus 2. But if it is consecutive odd number or a consecutive even number, it will be x, x plus 2, x plus 4. How? If your first number is 4, your next number is not 5, your next number is 6. So it becomes x, x plus 2, x plus 4. That is how it goes. Now suppose here the question says consecutive natural number. So suppose we assume the numbers to be x and x plus 1. The question says 1/4 of the smaller, that is x by 4, minus 1/5 of the greater is equal to 1. So now we know how to do because we have already done. We cross multiply, we add up, and then the answer that we got is 24. The next one is 25. This solution I will now not help you. I am sure you have understood how to do because a similar one we had done in the previous slide. Okay, so the next type of question. Here again I have taken a question saying 5 less than 3 times a number is minus 20. So 5 less than 3x. Let's assume the number to be x. So 3x minus 5 is means equal to minus 20. When minus 5 comes here, it becomes plus 5. So 3x is minus 15. Thus the number is minus 5. Simple. Then A's salary is same as 4 times B's salary. If together they earn 3,750 per month, find their salary. So let's assume that A's salary is X. So what is B's salary? Because together they are earning 3,750. So B should be 3,750 minus X. But the relation is A is 4 times B's salary. So X is 4 into this. When you multiply, you will get the answer as X 3,000. When you subtract, you get B's salary. Again, I leave it up to you. 4 into this number, 4 into X. 4x comes this side, becomes 5x. Cancel, get the answer. This solution, please do it in your rough and then put the answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay. Now the next question. Sum of 3 consecutive odd number. Now when it is odd number, your assumption should be x, x plus 2, x plus 4. I explained it just now. The question says the sum is 57. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 57. On adding and subtracting, we get x is 17. So the numbers are 17, 19, 21 according to the assumption. Next question. The difference of 2 numbers is 3 and the difference of their squares is 69. Suppose we assume one number as x, the other number can be x plus 3. It can be even x minus 3. Any one you can assume. But while finding the difference between their squares, it should be always the square of the greater number minus the square of the smaller number. So x plus 3 whole square minus x square. Again we come to the formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. On putting it, substituting, x square cancels. X is 10. So plus 3 is 13. This is very interesting. Okay, next. A man completed a trip of 136 km in 8 hours. The total distance was covered in 8 hours. Some part of the trip was covered at 15 km per hour and the rest at 18 km per hour. Find the part of the trip covered at 18 km per hour. So we now divide the distance into 2 halves. Let the distance covered at 15 km per hour be x. So the distance covered at 18 km per hour will definitely become 136 minus x because the total distance was 136. Since we know that time is equal to distance by speed, we know that x by 15 plus 136 minus x by 18 is equal to 8 because the total time taken was 8. On taking the LCM, subtracting the fraction, cross multiplication, the x came as 40, but we wanted the distance at 18 kilometers per hour. So 136 minus 40 is 96 kilometer traveled at a speed of 18 kilometers per hour. This question you should understand properly. Solving part is important, so be careful. The next type. Okay, so a man's age is 3 times his son's age. In 12 years, he will be twice his son. Find the present ages. So let the present age of the son be x. So the father is definitely 3 times, so 3x. After 12 years, the son will be x plus 12 and the father will be 3x plus 12. But how are they related? Father will be twice his son's age. That is 3x plus 12 is equal to 2 into x plus 12. On multiplying and subtracting, you get x as 12. So the son is 12-year-old and the father is into 3, 36-year-old. Next. A man is 42 years old and his son 12 years. After how many years will the age of the son be half the age of the man? So let the number of years be x years. Suppose it is x years. After x years, son will become 12 plus x and the father will become 42 plus x. And the relation is the son becomes half the father. So 12 plus x is 1 by 2 into 42 plus x. On cross multiplying 2 here, you get x as 18. So after 18 years, the relation will become son being half the father. Next type. 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that if they are divided by 5, 3 and 4 respectively, the sum of the quotient is 40. Means after dividing, what answer you get is a quotient. So let the numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So x by 5 plus x plus 1 by 3 plus x plus 2 by 4 as given in the question is equal to 40. Find out the LCM. The LCM will be 60. On adding the fraction, cross multiplying, subtracting, finally dividing, you get x as 50. So the numbers are 50, 51 and 52. Then, if the same number is added to the numbers 5, 11, 15 and 31, the resulting numbers are proportion. In proportion means A by B is as C by D. So if you have the number x, it is x plus 5 by x plus 11 is equal to x plus 15 by x plus 31. On cross multiplying, cancelling, you get x as 1. So the number is 1. So I have solved some of the questions for you children. In section, I will be happy to clear it to you, and I again request each one of you to please solve all the questions given in the exercises, and I'm sure you will understand. Watch my video properly, understand it, redo it, and I'm sure you will understand. You will not have any difficulty, children. Children, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care children. Bye.